What's up, guys? It's Lionel the Builder back again with another video, and today I want to talk about the importance of going to tech conferences as a junior developer. This is something that I think for whatever reason we feel a little bit shy, like maybe we're not worthy to be there as a new person. But I want to tell you guys this will extremely boost your confidence, boost your network, and boost your belief in yourself that you can actually do this, that you can break into the industry when you meet people who look like you, who talk and act like you, who you resonate with and you connect with, that have already gotten to where you're trying to get. They say that you need to surround yourself around people who are in the position to where you will be in tech conferences. It's like a cheat code in that way to do that. Now, I know a lot of times the price of entry can be a barrier, but I want to tell people that there's so many different ways you can go. You just have to be a little bit proactive, send them emails, volunteer. Like, I have not paid to go to a tech conference yet. I've only been to two, but still, even in this second one, I had 3 chances to get free tickets. I ended up going because my friend was a vendor, so I got a community partnership. But I also could have been an ambassador, and I also was set up to be a volunteer. So the price should not be an excuse, you know what I mean? But a brief recap of my trip. I'm gonna have footage on this side the entire time so you can kind of see a little bit of what it was like. But I met so many cool people. Like, now I know people who work for HubSpot, Square, Cash App, Google, Intuit or Inuit. I'm trying to remember how to say that name. So many, Bank of America. So many cool people are my contacts now, and I'm about to send them LinkedIn messages inviting them to the Discord server. There's a lot of mentors in there as well, so while you're here, you might as well click the links in the description, join the Discord, join the school, give me a subscribe and a like as well. We're on the road to 5,000 subs. But I met so many mentors, man. I feel like, and that's a hard thing as a junior, is we spend so much time around our computer, frustrated with all of that stuff. It's so cool to go to these places where you can party with people who understand what we go through and who speak our language, share some of the inside jokes, and then be able to follow them along the path. I also know recruiters now too. I got to talk to a recruiter for like an hour and get inside tips from her advice, as well as looking at my resume, how I should approach recruiters when they reach out to me on LinkedIn, how I should continue my relationship with them, because I didn't realize this, but they watch us and they want to see us grow as the years go by. She said that she just now hired someone in June who she turned down January. So one big thing that she said was, just because it's a no right now never means that it's a no always. So she gave me super encouraging advice, and I met her inside Google offices at a social hour that I was invited to there, or well, I went to RSVP, got approved in there, and this was like, they were really turning a lot of people down, so I was happy to be in there. As a part of the tech conference, I also did a TypeScript deep dive, JavaScript React workshop, where I learned things, tips and tricks and plugins that I can use on the job. And also met mad people who I feel like I can now tap in with if I have questions. This guy has been working on the mobile side, mobile app development for Google for 11 years. And I was struggling with a mobile app, the first one that I've ever worked on. And he said I could reach out to him for help. I was like, oh my God, man, that would be awesome. So these things give you an extreme mental boost that is needed when you're a junior. I always push networking to people. It very is true. The network is your net worth. If you're not going to meetups in your area, if you're not trying to tap in with the startup community in your area, if you're not going to coding meetups or trying to teach people how to code or trying to hang out with the people who learn how to code, you're doing yourself a bit of disservice as far as breaking into tech into today's current climate and advancing your career. At the very least, at least join a Discord where you can then start to make friends. You need to have developer friends. You should not be the only developer that you know. If you are, then you're making things harder for yourself unnecessarily. I know we can be introverted. I know we can just wish that, we just want to build cool things and just apply and get clients or get hired. But when they know you, when they see your face, when you shake your hand, you're so much more to them than just a piece of paper, which is taking a big chance. I found out that no, you can get hired that way. Sure, people get hired that way all the time, but I'm all about doing things that just make it a little bit more so in your favor. You know what I mean? So definitely, as you're doing courses, as you're building your portfolio and your projects, activate on some type of plan to increase your networking. If you need help with that, please reach out to me in the Discord. Please add me on LinkedIn, follow me on Instagram. However you prefer to reach out with me, I'm down to talk to anybody about this because I'm all about giving back to the community and helping people who are a little bit behind me in the journey. That's what we do here at the Digital Builders. So please like, share, subscribe again. Give me a follow. I'm Lionel the Builder, and I'm out. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.